She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, I'm Miss Shan Shorty Recipes, and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy avocado toast. These are the ingredients that I'll be using today for this avocado toast. Hopefully you guys are ready. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so here we go. This was a very quick and easy version of avocado toast. Again, this is a tasty recipe that's so versatile. You can add so many different toppings to the toast, and all of the fresh flavors from the lemon juice, the olive oil, to the fresh vegetables all paired together well for a perfect little bite. This was just an example of what you can do. Hopefully you did enjoy this quick and easy recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've had avocado toast before and if you do enjoy it. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.